In today's video, I'll be putting small fireworks on my RC airplane.
Flying actually really well, guys.
Okay guys, so basically we're gonna have this blowtorch here. I'm gonna turn it on, and then my friend, he'll just take the plane, he's gonna light the fuse, hold it over that, throw the plane, and then I'm gonna follow with the drone so we can hopefully get a good video.
3, 2, 1. Go!
Well, the plane came back safely and intact. You can see the firework on the right wing has the fuse and nozzle blown off, but everything's attached and looking good. Well guys, that's it for this video. I hope to see you again soon in the channel. Make sure to like and subscribe.